Hello everyone on YouTube. This is our airsoft war. I have a special guest. We have a special guest star today for airsoft war. It's Doomlord and UV4 Kid here, and we'll be going now. Okay.
Ah, crap. Yeah, ready. Damn. Oh, shit. Wait, okay, sorry. Ow! Ow! Hit me in the head! Shit! Ow! That hurt! Oh crap, okay. You okay? Ah, my forehead hurts. Okay. Okay. So stop now? Okay. Safety on. Okay.
Okay, we'll be taking a short reloading break.
Ah, my forehead hurts.
Turn off. Okay, now it's my turn to start filming, and Doomlord's running. Run, Doomlord, run! Shoot! I'm just scared to shoot you. Run! Eat it! Whoa! Eat it! Right now I'm getting shot at. Duh. Screw you, I have to! Ah! Bullet! Dun-dun. Halo time! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Screw you! I just wasted 50 bullets. I'll sneak everyone, okay? Okay, now he knows where I am. Run, okay. Now I'm about to run. Ah! Eat it, man, eat it! Retreat! No, I just said retreat. I just said retreat just for fun. Oh, South Alabama, man. I have like 500 volts in me. Got ya! Ow! Ow! Crap! Ow! Okay, I'm hit. Okay, we're going to be taking another short reloading break. Say hi to the camera, Doomlord. Zoom in. Zooming into the thorns. He's taking cover behind thorns. See? Alright. Let's get some action.
Just shoot.
No, don't shoot it. No, I don't want to shoot my hand either.
Okay, come on.
Reload break. We're just starting the reloading break now, and round 3 is commencing next. Reload time. Up and down. And reload this thing time. Be back in reload time.
Okay.
Okay, are you filming?
No, not yet. Ready? No. Let's go.
Okay, we are about to film now. for round 3, and right now Doomlord has won 2 rounds. I'll see if I can win this round, and we'll see how many points we got total. He has just nailed me 60 times maybe in the last 4 minutes. Okay, round 3. This time it's going to be all round battlefield. Show them the battlefield. The whole place is about to be the battlefield now. Okay, we're going to be taking cover behind trash cans. Okay, we'll be starting now. Get your gun. Get ready.
Wait.
That's on.
Yeah, he supports McCain. Ow! Ow. Wait, not yet.
Run!
Wait.
Okay, don't fire. Don't fire.
I won't. Wait. Shit. I know. Damn. Ow! Ah, shit. 2. Ah, fuck. Oh, crap. Almost out of ammo. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Ready? All that ammo. Yes. Shit, run. Want to stop now? What? Okay, safety. Glasses off. Glasses off. Yeah.
Okay.
2.
2, okay. See, round 3.
Round 3.
Yeah. Well, we just got through from round 3. Now we want to see what we can do tomorrow. And today was machine gun versus assault rifle. Next week might be shotgun versus assault rifle or shotgun versus machine gun. Vote on which one you want to see. And that will be all. Doomlord and UV4 Kid. And signing out.
Oh.
Let's see. Wait.
Wait.